In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating design constraints. You would need a number of things. You would need pairs of DRESP1 and DCONSTRAINT entries. You would need DCONAD and DESSUB. Let's go through the process here in the web app. Let's switch over to the constraints, and the first thing we'll do is create a displacement constraint. In the same table, we'll click plus here, create a new constraint. We'll say we want to constrain the Z, or the third component, of grid or node 208, and we want to say the displacement is allowed to range between 3 and +3. We also have to create two stress constraints, and we want to apply the stress constraint to P shell elements. So we'll go ahead and apply this to P shell 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll say the von Mises stress is allowed to be within 36,000 psi, so the upper limit is 36,000. And for the stress item code, we want to track or constrain the von Mises stress at the top and bottom of this cantilever plate. So we'll type in 11 for one of the fibers and 19 for the next fiber. Here on the right, we've created our DRESP1 and DCONSTRAINT entries. Now we have to create our constraint group. For that, let's click on this button and we'll apply this constraint group or all the constraints to all the subcases. Here on the right, you see our new DCONAD entry created. Back in the exporter, we also have the DESSUB entry created, and that completes the creation of design constraints, a DRESP1, DCONSTRAINT, DCONAD, and DESSUB.